Hey guys, I just want to make a quick video to show you the different things we're doing with Buildertrend as we go through the projects. Right now I am in Matt's account. As you can see, this is a summary page for Silvercrest Apartments. At the top you can see the RFIs. Matt has one RFI that's pending right now, and when a new RFI is made, you'll get an email, and then when you click on to view that RFI, it's going to take you into the RFI page where you can answer it from there. Any to-dos that we have that are assigned to you are going to show up there. And then daily logs. So on a daily basis, we're doing daily logs with attached pictures so you can see what's going on day by day for each project. Any files that we have, documentation, you can go up here, it's going to be there. Or any photos of the different units, you're going to see them here as well. So we have the blueprints, qualifications and assumptions, evergreen standard information, stuff like that is going to be in the documents here. We also have the ability to catalog the different materials that we use for each project, so that once we are finished with the project, we'll be able to hand over an access to each manager so that they have the ability to see what kind of carpet was used, what kind of vinyl was used, or etc. in each unit. But that, if you go into the selections area, you'll be able to see the different materials that we use. Like, for example, under category flooring, they'll be able to come in here, click on flooring. Okay, what carpet do we use in the unit? And they click on that, and they can see exactly the information that they need to reorder for a new unit to turn it. All the contact information for each salesperson is right there, so they should be good to go. They will gain their own access or their own website, as you can see here. It's a little bit more limited than ours, but they will be able to, again, just come into here, click on selections, and see exactly what I just showed you. They also have the ability, if they have any warranty items in the future, a water tank starts leaking or whatever, then come in here and do a warranty request, and then that will show up on Jim, myself, or whoever the project manager is for that particular project. Those warranty items will show up here in the summary section. Right here. So, and you can move these around. You can add, so you can go in here and kind of add different widgets and just move it around to whatever you guys like it to be. There's a bunch of help videos if you want to check those out, but it's pretty self-explanatory once you get going. Also, schedule, as the schedules get built out, you'll be able to come in here and kind of see what's going on, what's coming up. So like Silvercrest Apartments schedule, you'll be able to come in here and see that. So that's it. If you have any questions, give me a call. Talk to you later. Bye.